Hi and welcome to Elvatech. My name is Serg and today we will look at 5 analysis modes for metals and alloys on the ProSpector 2 analyzer. In this video you will learn how to see the full elemental composition of a sample, how to identify the alloy grade, how to compare a sample with the reference alloy, how to instantly check compliance with the standard. Next, we will go through each of these modes in details. Let's start with the spectrum mode. It displays the full X-ray fluorescence spectrum. Each element has its own peak. This mode is useful for preliminary scanning or checking for contamination. The next one is the composition mode. This is the classical quantitative analysis. In this mode, ProSpector 2 shows how much of each metal is in the sample, in percent. This mode is convenient for quickly assessing the material and generating a report. The next, alloy grade. This mode automatically selects the name of the standard alloy that your sample most closely matches. This is especially useful in manufacturing or metal sorting facilities where you need to quickly determine the alloy type. If you need to see exactly how the sample differs from the reference, use the Compare with Alloy mode. The information on the screen shows you which elements exceed or fall short of the specified limits. This mode is convenient for quality control and conformity checks. And finally, the Pass-Fail mode. It gives a quick answer on whether the sample meets the standard. If it is within tolerance, pass appears on the screen. If not, it means fail. This mode is ideal for sorting large numbers of samples in the field.
The world depends on your precision. XRF Solutions by Elvatech. Precision that empowers confidence.
So we have just reviewed the 5 main alloy analysis modes in ProSpector 2 analyzer. Each has its advantages, and choose the one that best fits your tasks. If you still have questions, write them in the comments or contact us directly. And also subscribe to our Elvatech YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos on working with our analyzers. Thank you for watching and see you next time.